Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making something truly special, a dish that's perfect for sharing, looks absolutely stunning, and tastes even better. We're creating a beautiful salmon and rice board with a vibrant, fresh herb dressing. This is the kind of meal that will have your friends and family thinking you're a gourmet chef. But I'll let you in on a little secret. It's surprisingly easy to put together. It's healthy, packed with flavor, and perfect for a dinner party, a special date night, or even just a fantastic weeknight treat. So, if you're ready to elevate your dinner game, stick around. First things first, let's talk about our star player, the salmon. You'll want a nice, large fillet, about 2 pounds, skin on or off. It's your choice. The key here is quality. Look for a piece that's bright, vibrant, and smells fresh like the ocean. We're going to keep the seasoning simple to let that beautiful salmon flavor shine. All we need is a good drizzle of olive oil, a generous sprinkle of salt, and some freshly cracked black pepper. Make sure you coat both sides of the fillet really well. We're going to roast this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 200 Celsius. It should take around 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fillet. You want it to be just cooked through, so it flakes easily with a fork, but is still incredibly moist and tender on the inside. While the salmon is in the oven, let's make our incredible herb dressing. This dressing is what brings the whole board to life. It's zesty, fresh, and packed with green goodness. In a food processor or a blender, we're going to combine a big handful of fresh parsley, another handful of fresh dill, and about a 1/4 cup of chives. To that, add the zest and juice of 1 lemon. This is going to give it a beautiful brightness. Then, we'll add a clove of garlic. Just 1 is enough. We don't want it to overpower everything. Next, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard for a little temps, a 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Now, just blend everything together until it's smooth and creamy. Give it a taste. Does it need more salt? A little more lemon? Adjust it to your liking. This dressing is so versatile, you'll want to put it on everything, I promise. Okay, our salmon should be just about ready. Let's pull it out of the oven. Look at that, perfectly cooked, beautifully golden, and it smells amazing. Let it rest for a few minutes before we start assembling our board. This little rest is crucial. It allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is succulent and flavorful. While it's resting, we can get our rice ready. I've cooked some simple jasmine rice, but you could use sushi rice, brown rice, or even quinoa. The key is to have a nice, fluffy base. Now for the fun part, assembly. This is where your creativity comes in. Grab your largest cutting board or a nice platter. We're going to create a showstopper. Start by spreading the warm rice evenly across the center of the board, creating a nice bed for our salmon. Think of it as your canvas. Once you have a good layer of rice, carefully place the whole roasted salmon fillet right on top. Don't break it up just yet. We want that impressive whole fillet presentation. It already looks incredible, doesn't it? Next, let's add our supporting cast of characters. These are the elements that will add texture, color, and even more flavor to our board. I like to add some thinly sliced cucumbers for a cool, crisp crunch. A few sliced radishes also add a nice peppery bite and a pop of color. Let's scatter those around the salmon. Some creamy avocado is a must. Slice up a whole avocado and fan it out along one side of the board. The creaminess of the avocado pairs beautifully with the rich salmon. I also love to add some edamame for a bit of protein and a vibrant green color. You can use shelled edamame, either steamed or boiled. Let's keep building. What else can we add? How about some pickled red onions? They add a fantastic sweet and tangy element that cuts through the richness of the fish. You can buy them pre-made or make your own. They're super simple. A few lemon wedges scattered around are not just for garnish. They're perfect for anyone who wants an extra squeeze of citrus over their portion. I'm also adding some toasted sesame seeds for a nutty flavor and a little bit of texture. Just sprinkle them all over the salmon and the rice, maybe some furica seasoning if you have it. That would be fantastic, too. Finally, the grand finale. It's time for that gorgeous green herb dressing we made earlier. Take a spoon and drizzle it generously all over the salmon and the rice. Don't be shy here. Let it pool in some places and cascade down the sides of the fish. The vibrant green against the pink salmon and white rice is just visually stunning. You can also put a small bowl of extra dressing on the side for those who want more, and trust me, they will. And there you have it. Our masterpiece is complete. A beautiful, interactive, and ridiculously delicious salmon and rice board. Look at all those colors and textures. The best way to serve this is to just place the board in the center of the table with some forks or spoons and let everyone dig in. They can flake off a piece of salmon, scoop up some rice, and grab a little bit of everything else. It's a communal, fun, and memorable way to eat. It's a healthy, balanced meal that's packed with omega-3s south, fresh vegetables, and incredible flavors. Think about the possibilities here. You could customize this board in so many ways. Add some mango for sweetness, some spicy mayo for a kick, or even some seaweed salad. It's all about what you and your guests love. This recipe is a fantastic template to build upon. It proves that you need complicated techniques or hours in the kitchen to create something truly impressive and satisfying. It's all about fresh ingredients, simple preparations, and a little bit of creative flair. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's one of my absolute favorites, and I know it'll become one of yours too. It's perfect for any occasion that calls for something a little special, but without all the stress. I love hearing from you all. Thank you so much for watching and cooking along with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more delicious and easy recipes like this one. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy cooking.